एलन की किधर गया ये?
Today we assemble this
सचिन भाई
compressor. हाँ?
एलन की
एलन की तेरे पास ही था ना? मिल गया? Now second is this. This has to be repaired also. Change all wall plate, ring piston, connecting rod, and all gasket we have to change because this is faulty or mechanical damage, and its winding is also burned. This one we already completed, ring piston and new pump, and this is the winding of this. Winding is burned due to struck due to the pump failure, lubrication pump failure. That's why not proper lubrication, that's why it is stuck and burn the winding. We change all ring and piston, new pump for proper lubrication, and this is the winding. We have to rewind this, and last we assemble the winding. First we connect all ring piston. Retight all, check. So first we are going to drain the old oil, and that is the drain point of oil. Now we are opening, and all oil going to there. We have already, but you have to show. I just want to show you that from where you are drain the oil. That is the drain point. We have already drained the all oil. Manual drive. Minimum 1 hour manual drive the compressor by hand. That is the start port. This manual lubrication before fitted motor. We have to run minimum 2 hours manually. फिर वही बंगला, फिर बता दिया हम बांग्लादेशी हैं. दिस इज गाय इज बांग्लादेशी. चालू कर. ये सब ऑयल ड्रेन कर देंगे ना बाद में. हाँ हाँ, ये खराब हो गया, कार्बन काला हो गया.
ट्रेन नहीं होएगा इधर से, अभी फिट है.
ये देखिए काला हो रहा है, ये देखिए. ओए ये मैनुअल लुब्रिकेशन. आया ऑयल इधर. Oil has to be come from this point, you know, the drop by drop. Minimum 2 hours we have to run manually. We have changed all ring piston and
बस.
we change all ring piston on new pump and oil filter.
थोड़ा